It's your boy, and I am back with another banger. I am back with another banger. So, kahle kahle namhlanje, it's a Sunday, and into engizoyenza ukuthi I'm just gonna, you know, open my view to do some analysis concerning, what's about to happen for this week. So, there are only three currencies engifisa ukuthi ngingene kuzona, and that is USD, NZD and Audi, ngoba kule week le it's gonna be like very very much active in the markets. So into engizoyenza right now, I'm just gonna, okay, that is on, let me just switch it up a bit. Okay, lalela. So excuse, so I'm gonna start with the NZD because already, njengoba ubona ama-flags nje like I've already did some small analysis. I don't know why now it's just, I already did some like analysis, but it's for me to just show you. Okay, wait guys, I need to expand the lights. It's very dark. Okay, that's too bright. Yeah. So yeah, I've already did like most of the job. It's just for me to show you what have I've done, and what is my expectations of the market for this coming week. So lalela, we can see ukuthi lana, the market is actually going on a downtrend. Let me just subtract these. The market is already, let me just put a higher time frame, day one. It goes there. Yep. So let's sibona kahle. Okay, here's the markets last corner. So can you see ukuthi the market is going on a downtrend? Kahle kahle nje, you can see la. Let me just, you can see what's nje, it's just piling up, down. It's going down. So let's just go closer size sibone ukuthi okay, kahle kahle zithini ngale market yabo. Okay, then we saw ukuthi la when it was going down, let me just put my pen up. We saw la ukuthi when it was going down, and here is a horizontal line where it reached the support parts, and then it like changed, and it broke out here, and it changed it downtrend to upwards trend, but I think it's a small upwards trend basically. So after that, we can just see closely what's okay. Njengoba ibreakile la, here, so it started a new trend, so it started a new trend, and it's actually going up down, higher lows, higher lows and lower lows. So by that time I can see Wusla, it's actually doing this downwards and upward, creating like a wedgie. So it can happen that the small arrow, the blue one, it can show, it's just gonna try to go down and then get that support and then shoots up. Yeah, but it can also happen that from that point here, it can just break out and then continue going up. So with the NZD, I'm expecting a lot in terms of the move. What's going to happen for this week? But it's gonna be a huge move. Then we can shift out and go to the Audi USD. So with the Audi USD, siyabona ukuthi it's actually playing around la with horizontal line, and that signifies ukuthi okay, it's still undecided ukuthi what is it that it wants, because it has just created this small wedge, uh, trying to give an indication of what it wants to break out. So anytime, because there's an event also, so anytime from tomorrow, it's gonna beat, like, I think it's gonna beat sell. Same thing applies to NZD. It's either it's gonna sell and then buy, or it's just gonna break out low, resistance, which is here. So I would advise, I would give some advices after I'm done, analyzing la. I think it's analysis. So let's just go back to USDJPY. USDJPY, nothing much, because it went on Friday. It sold on Friday, and it sold going down. Nakhona we expecting ukuthi the market is actually trying to, let me just double check that. It's trying for a down, it's trying for a downward trend, but its downward trend is a long downward trend, as we can see lapha. So yeah, it's gonna be a very tricky week, but definitely out in USD, it's gonna do something. So, and another thing that I also look at is the oil. I'm expecting a loss from oil, especially because sometimes oil can do some major moves. So yeah, it's basically this week nje kunama breakouts that I'm expecting. I'm expecting a lot of breakouts. As you can see, goods in the oil, NZD, USD. So guys, it's gonna be a major. It's gonna be a major push up. So yeah, as you can see, USD, CHF. Nakhona lapha, you see that black line there, that ray, horizontal ray. It signifies ukuthi laphana ingase reject in terms of it getting its support and go back to lapha phezulu, go back to here, or it will just break out like and go down up until it gets to this support. So all I'm saying ukuthi all I can say, starting from the AUD USD, let me put my conclusions on. So right now, what I can suggest is that Monday, if it happens that you get the opportunity, just wait for the markets to just go down up until here, and then definitely buy. Straight up buy. Once it hit that, you just buy, and just put your stop loss and everything. And then let's just go to NZD. NZD, same principle. If it happens that it goes down, lila, unga hesitate, just buy. But if it doesn't and it breaks out, believe me, if it breaks out, you can actually still buy it here from here. You can still buy it from here. It's not a problem. Still good. You can still buy it, but just wait first. Wait for it to break out completely. Yeah, and then oil on the other hand, no oil. Just leave it. I'll tell you which time for you to buy it. Yeah, guys, I think that's almost about it for this week. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you understood that this thing is not as difficult as people can think it is. Yeah, so hopefully y'all had a lovely day, weekend perhaps, not a day, weekend. So without any further ado, I'll just say peace out, guys. Peace.